Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to add transitions on a Canva. So the transition will only can be used if you already have like more than one pages on one project. So let's check how many pages that I have on my project here. So just need to click this button to check how many pages that we have, and now we can see that I have these 3 pages on my project. It means that we can use any animations for the transitions. And then let's back by click X. And how to add the transition, so you just need to click the page or the canvas until it's become in active mode. After it is being active, just go into the animate, and now you can choose which animation that you want to have. If you just need to scroll into the left side to look for several animations. You want to choose wipe, okay, and then after that, if you're done, just click X, and then let's go into the next pages and do the same way. First, click the canvas and then make it in active mode. Click animate. You can choose the same animations or the different animations. I want to make it different, and then after that, just click X. Do the same things into the last pages. I click the canvas, click animate, and I want to have a block. Or probably I want to just check another that more dramatic, like this tumble. Okay, and after we finish all of the animations, back into the first page, and now we can check it by click play here. Okay, hold on. And now your Canva, your project already have a transitions from one page to another pages. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.